How to find saved videos on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Saved. Here, you can find all your saved posts, collections, and more. Open any post to view them. You can also create a new collection from here. You can then choose to add your saved videos to specific collections accordingly. You can also unsave any videos from here whenever you want. This way, you can get more control over your experience on the platform. Following these steps, you can easily find saved videos on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.